Okay guys, so now I'm back with part 2 of the video, so let's go into it. So with this video and the next, I decided to share with you guys how you can cash out your earnings from the Bitcoin mining app I use daily. So the first one I did was the Bitcoin mining. The second one is called BtcCoin. So you want to press the BtcCoin and you want to make sure you have enough to cash out from the platform. So you want to go into the wallet and you want to click the withdrawal button. You can use either the ZBD or the speed. You can use the ZBD app, right? Or you can use a speed app. It depends on which one you want to use. So just to keep all that into consideration. So I'm gonna put the full amount. So you see that here I have 35 stats. So when I create the invoice, it should be 35 stats. And you might ask, how do I know I'm supposed to create an invoice? You know you're supposed to create an invoice because it says invoice. Whatever you're supposed to do, the coding will be on the app and it will show here. So you realize you don't see lightning address anywhere here because they want you to use an invoice. Right now I'm on the speed wallet. So if I go to the ZBD, it's the same thing. There's no option for the lightning address. It's just the invoice. So you must know where you want to go. So either you want to go to your ZBD account or you want to go to your speed. Right now, I'm gonna go to my speed account. Yeah, I'm gonna go to my speed account just to make it simple for you guys. So once I do that, I'm gonna click. So once I do that, right, guys, I choose where I want to go and everything. I'm gonna go to my speed wallet. After thinking about everything, I decided to go with the ZBD app. So I'm gonna go with the ZBD app. It's just after thinking about, because the last time I cash out, it was to my ZBD account. I'm gonna show you guys. So here was the last time I cash out, and you can see the withdrawal. I withdraw. I'm gonna go into depth. You can see I withdraw and I use the ZBD account, Lightning Network, and everything. So yes, guys, this is the address right here that I did go ahead and use. So what I'm going to do to make it super simple, I'm just going to copy it from here. So you can see that I copy it from right here, right? So yes, guys, I'm going to go back. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's say you go back to the withdrawal. You choose the ZBD, you choose the max amount you want, and we're going to use the the invoice. So you know that you're supposed to cash out 35 stats. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go to the ZBD account. We're going to go to my ZBD account, right? And after we open the ZBD app, even though I already click it, you do all of that, you're going to go to the wallet in the ZBD section, right? And after you do that, I'm going to black out some of these things because that's just all it's supposed to be. Now, you know how when you want to put a money on something, you have to press the receive button because you want to receive something. You're not sending something out, you want to receive something in the app. And that's where you're going to press the receive button. And once you press the receive button, they're going to ask you to choose the amount. You already know it's 35 because you saw it on the app, right? The BTC coin, you already know that the 35, it's there. And you're going to press the next. Once you do that, now they're going to ask you who you want to pay it to or whatever. You're going to pay it to yourself. So you're not going to really do anything like that because you're paying it to yourself. If you're paying it to someone or something, maybe you could do that. Like I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's just like this, the namer tag or something, right? So we're not gonna use that. We're just gonna leave it. So right now we're gonna click the button that says create invoice. right down at the bottom of the screen right here. It says create. You're sending it to yourself, so you don't need to put any like gamer tag or anything. You just need to create the invoice, and that's what we're going to press here. So this is the invoice created. You can see it says waiting for payment. You can see you have 10 minutes and it's counting down to get your payment. So you have to do this before the 10 minutes. I will blur out everything because, yeah. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the invoice, right? And once I copy it, I'm going to go over to my app, the app that I leave. Yeah. I'm going to go over to the BtcCoin. I'm still here. You want to press that. Then you just want to put in your invoice, the one you just created. It's there. So this is basically it right here. So after you do this, you want to press the withdrawal button. So you can see where it says you earned, everything is zero. That's how you know the money has been sent. And the thing with this money making app is that if you're earning and you decide to cash out, the earning will stop and you have to claim back that earning to start. Just to keep it into consideration. So now that that has done and everything, we're going to go back into the wallet and you can see where it says withdrawal. And you can see the first one was 52 and the second one was 35. You can see it says successful. So everything here is successful. Now, how do you know that your 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 satoshis has reached your account? It says successful here. It could be out there somewhere, but you want to know that it's in your account. You can see my account is zero, so that I've sent off everything. I'll start earning again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to so once my ZBD account has been open, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into the option where it says pending rewards. I'm gonna go into the wallet where basically there is the transaction. You want to go into the wallet that says transaction. Once you go in there, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see payment received. You can see 35 stats. So that's how you know basically that you have the money has reached the stats has reached your account. So yes, guys, and it is simple and easy as that. The more time you do it is is the more it will be very very easy for you. And you want to do this, you want to do the both way. You want to do the way that it is the lightning wallet with the gamer tag, which is the lightning address, and you want to do it the invoice way, which you have to create an invoice and then you copy and paste. The more often you do it is the easier it become for you, and you just know what you're doing over time. Just want to keep all that into consideration. So just to keep all into consideration, guys, if there's any questions, you can comment down below and let me know. So yes, guys. So the next thing I want to say to you guys, remember, ZBD is not an account. It's not a wallet. ZBD is just a money-making app. So after you have done this, you need to send the money off the ZBD platform. And you can look at it like this. I'm going to share with you guys something, but let's send this off first. So we're going to click the send button and we're going to send it to a wallet, a lightning wallet, because this is not a lightning wallet. This is just a money making app, a free money making app. And let me see how much I have. I have 58. So I'm going to send 55. So with ZBD, guys, you have to pay a fee to send your earnings off the platform. So what we're going to do, we're going to put 55 because I have 58, and then I'm going to put in my wallet address, which is my gamer tag. I'm going to click it. After that, you're going to choose it, and after that, you're going to press the payout button. And instantly after it is sent, I'm going to get a notification that I get 55 stats. There we go. That's some close it. That's how fast this thing sends. So they basically take 2 stats from me for sending it. So yes, guys. So just want to keep all that into consideration. So the more you send is the more stats you have to pay. Just to keep that into consideration as well. So yeah. So what I want to share with you guys. So I have a money making app. Maybe I'm just gonna share you guys a screenshot or something. But I have a money making app from another game, and I have about 90 something stat sources on that app, and I cannot get it off because they don't have the the stats to send it. So just want to make sure to you guys, the only way you know that you have your stats is when it's on a wallet. So let me show you guys the money making app.